is Kumar and I'm a solution specialist at Insource Corporation. We've been proudly servicing the print and print communication industry for the past 15 years. One of our favorite company models is we measure our success simply through our customer success. And the way our customers have been achieving this success has been through our toner-based printer that specializes in t-shirt printing and other marketing customization. What really makes this printer stand out from competitors is I'm able to print a pure solid white with a pure toner cartridge. With the same machine, I can take out the regular cyan, yellow, and magenta and put fluorescent cartridges to get the full fluorescent outlook. Another cool feature, with the same machine by replacing the cartridges, I can put sublimation cartridges to print on shirts that allow it to breathe without having the vinyl outprint making your shirt a lot hotter. With the same machine, I can put clear toner and do wedding invitations. I just want to show you how fun it can be to create one t-shirt. Here we see the printer in action. Along with the software that comes along with the printer, I just click a print button, it sends a communication to the printer, and we're able to print full CYMK plus white on vinyl sheet. After multiple steps, we've come to the final process to create one t-shirt, which takes less than 5 minutes. With the latest and best heat price in the marketplace, we're able to create one shirt. And here we've been able to create one t-shirt in less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions or concern regarding this equipment, please feel free to contact Insource anytime you wish. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.